Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Where in the previous video we talk about functions and its types. Today we will talk about symbolic expressions and logics and how to read them logics. So firstly, this is a symbol. Firstly, I will write some symbols. This, these. Then after that I will tell you how to read these symbols. Firstly, this is a symbol of not. How to read it? Not. And the second one is the symbolic symbol of and. This one, upper face open, it is or, and arrowhead on one side, this is if and then or implies. This is for implies. And arrowhead on both sides, this is for if and only if and only if. Now I will tell these symbols, symbolic expressions. Firstly, symbolic expression of this not. Let P. We read this P as not P. Not P. Because this is a symbol of not, and P, this is not P or negation of P. Negation of P. And this is a symbol of and, so its symbolic expression should be between two numbers. This should be between two numbers because there is and. We can write it as P and Q and read it as, because this is and, so simply P and Q. We read it as P and Q. Now the next one is the symbol of or, and between two numbers or can be written as this, and between two numbers symbol of or is read as P or Q. Similarly, the next one is the symbol of implies. Then we can write it as P implies Q, and similarly read it as P implies Q. The other one is if and only if. If is equivalent to, something is equivalent to second thing, then this we write this symbol like P equivalent to Q, or P if and only if Q. So we can read it as P if and only if Q, or P is equivalent to Q. I hope you will understand. We will study about the explanation to how to use the symbol. These are very important, long as well as short questions. So first one is negation. What is negation and how to write its truth table? Firstly, we write its definition. What is negation? If P be any proposition, if P be any proposition, like we write it earlier, P, these are basically propositions, then its negation is denoted by, as we write, the first one is the negation is denoted by this, and read as, how to read it as, not P, not P. It follows the following conditions. If P is true, P is true, then its negation P is false. If P is false, then negation P is true, because this is negation means opposite. P is true, then negation P is false. If P is false, then negation P is true. So now write its truth table as similarly following these conditions. We have P and negation P. If P is true, what is then negation P? False. Similarly, if P is false, then negation P is true. Simply. Now the other one is conjunction. Conjunction. It is denoted by the symbol P and Q, as we write it as earlier. P and Q. It is considered as true if both the components are true. Both are true. Whose both are means P and Q both are true, then conjunction is also true. So we can write its truth table as P, Q, and conjunction sign is P and Q. So keep it in mind. Conjunctions mean and symbol of and is this one. So P. What is P? P and Q values are fixed, so you can keep it in mind. True, true, false, false, and Q should be one true and one false. True, false, true, false. Now, its definition is if both are true, then conjunction should be true. So first condition satisfies it. Both are true, then conjunction is true. And other conditions, true, false means it is false. False, true, it's also false. And false, false, it means it's also false. So first one is the only true condition in conjunction. Now the third and last type of expression of symbols should be disjunction. Disjunction. What is disjunction? It is basically P or Q. And what is the symbol of or? We write it as earlier. This is P or Q. And the disjunction is considered the disjunction P or Q is true if at least one of the component is true. At least one component is true. I hope you understand. If any one of component from P and Q should be true, then this disjunction should be true. And it is false if both of them are false. Keep these two conditions in mind and you can easily write its table. So we will write its table as P, Q, P disjunction or P or Q should be true, true, false, false. These are fixed values. True, false, true, false. Now finding its disjunction. What is its conditions? At least one component is true, then this is true. Here one condition, one is true, then it is obviously true. One condition is true, then it's obviously true. One true present, then it's true. And if both are false, we can write is it is false if both are false. Both are false, then it is false. Basically, it is the opposite of conjunction. In conjunction, only first condition is true, and in disjunction, only one condition is false. I hope you will understand. Like, share and subscribe my channel, and if you have any query about MS, you can freely ask me. Thanks for watching.